As a collision repair professional, respirators are one of your most important safety devices. Each day, we encounter dust and vapors while we're working on collision damaged vehicles. But did you know that annually you must be fit tested to wear a respirator? And before you're fit tested, you must pass a medical evaluation. Oftentimes, medical evaluations can cost $100 or $150. That's why Collision Hub is excited to announce a partnership with Salud Systems. For only $20 per technician, you can perform an online, confidential medical evaluation for you and your staff. It's really easy to use. Employers simply set up an account, enter the employee information, and employees go on and take the online medical evaluation. Results are instant, and 95% of technicians pass the medical evaluation. To learn more about this exciting program to keep you and your employees safe, visit respiratorhub.com.